Cholesterol is a waxy substance that our body needs to make cell membrane, sex hormone, stress hormone, and vitamin D. If your total cholesterol count is less than 200 mg per deciliter, in general, there is no need to worry about. But if it is more than 200 mg per deciliter, you should try every possible way to lower it. High cholesterol accumulate in your blood vessels and make it very difficult for blood to flow through your arteries. And sometimes this accumulation break down and can lead to heart attack or stroke. Not only this, high cholesterol can also lead to pain and numbness in different regions of the body. In today's video, we bring you some best scientifically proven foods to lower bad cholesterol. Oats are rich source of soluble fiber. Soluble fiber have been known to reduce the level of LDL or bad cholesterol. It also reduces the absorption of cholesterol into bloodstream and therefore reduces the risk of heart attack. Oats are very versatile. You can make an oatmeal, chocolate oats, oats upma, oats egg omelette and many more dishes with oats. You can also use oats to lower blood sugar and to lose weight. Legumes, also known as pulses, are a group of plant foods that include beans, peas, and lentils. Legumes are rich source of protein, dietary fiber, and beta-glucan. According to a 2020 study, beta-glucan can reduce the level of bad cholesterol by limiting the absorption of cholesterol at the time of digestion. Some of the delicious and nutritious legumes are chickpeas, kidney beans, soya beans, black beans, and peanuts. Although all fruits are safe to eat if you have high cholesterol, but some fruits are better than others. The fruits that you should eat more often than others are apples, pears, avocados, berries, banana, pomegranate, and citrus fruits. These fruits are rich in pectin, a type of soluble fiber that reduces LDL or bad cholesterol. Certain vegetables like okra, spinach, eggplant, cucumber, and tomatoes are better than others in lowering bad cholesterol. These vegetables are particularly high in pectin, the same cholesterol lowering soluble fiber found in apples and citrus fruits like oranges. Most vegetables also provide a range of plant compounds like carotenoids, which are known to improve heart health and eye vision. Nuts contain monounsaturated fatty acids. Unlike saturated and trans fat, monounsaturated fatty acids are heart healthy. Almonds are particularly high in L-arginine, a type of amino acid that helps your body make nitric oxide. Nitric oxide have been known to regulate high blood pressure. Nuts are also rich in phytosterols. These compounds have been known to reduce cholesterol by blocking absorption of cholesterol by intestine. If you have to choose nuts to lower cholesterol, you should choose walnuts, almonds, and peanuts. Additionally, walnuts are rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are heart-healthy fats. Fatty fish like salmon, sardine, and mackerel are rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to improve heart health by increasing the level of good cholesterol and by reducing the incidence of irregular heartbeat. According to a large study on adults, people who eat fatty fish at least twice a week are at lower risk of high blood pressure and heart diseases. One thing that you should remember while cooking fish is that you should never fry them. Fried fatty fish are known to increase the risk of heart attack and stroke.